As we all know, Google is one of the major tech companies in the world. Google offers vast variety of tools and features that make our life easier. One of the most useful tool provided by Google is Google Lens. Google Lens offers a lot of features that are helpful in our day-to-day life while we are traveling, shopping online, find locations, translate any language to your mother tongue, etc. So in this video we will teach you all the aspect regarding Google Lens and how to use it easily. In your device, go to App Store and search Google Lens. Here you can find the application version. Mostly we don't need to have the Google Lens application, we can use the feature from Google itself. So open Google search. Here you can find Google Lens icon on side of the search bar. Open it by clicking, then you are directed to Google Lens. Here you can search anything by live image. You can see the live translation of any language you want. You only need to put the camera towards it. You can also search the images in your phone and find information related to that image. On the bottom you can see few options. On clicking translate you can see the live translation of languages. You can convert the text to any language by simply selecting the languages. There are other tools like homework, to search solution of any question by simply taking an image of it. Shopping, places, Thish is similarly used to find the product and helps to locate any building easily. That's the end of this video, and you understand Google Lens well. Thanks to Google for making our life easier.